Some cases stand out. In the long history of brutality inflicted by men upon women, some cases stand out. Life sentence granted in the case of a young trainee doctor's horrific rape and murder while on duty at her workplace, Calcutta's state-run RG Medical College and Hospital, have sparked a gamut of negative reactions among doctors, activists, politicians who have held protest after protest since the heinous crime came to light on August 9, 2024.
This heinous crime happened in a government medical college where not only the doctors and healthcare workers are there are a lot of number of patients and their relatives stays, and this should be one of the most protected places.
Sanjay Roy, a Calcutta police civic volunteer, convicted for the crime, was sentenced to rigorous life imprisonment till death. Sanjay escaped the noose because Judge Anirban Das of a Calcutta court did not consider his crime the rarest of rare, reserved for capital punishment in India, opposing the CBI lawyer who pleaded death penalty. Additionally, the court ordered the Bengal government to pay rupees 17 lakh as compensation to the victim's family.
আমার মেয়ে একটা হসপিটালে সরকারি হসপিটালে কর্মরত অবস্থায় ছিল সিবিআই প্রমাণ করতে পারলো না যে এটা রেয়ার কেস এটা ভগবান আমাকে একটা ডায়মন্ড দিয়েছিল যেটা আমি হারিয়ে ফেলেছি সমাজ আমাকে চোখে আঙুল দিয়ে দেখিয়ে দিয়েছে শুধু সন্তানের মেধা থাকলে হবে না বাবা মাকে প্রভাবশালীও হতে হবে
The victim was brutally raped and murdered with severe injuries inflicted on her body. But the order signed by the sessions judge reads, throughout the trial and before his conviction, Sanjay said he had been framed and had no part in the doctor's rape and murder.
আমাকে পুরো ভয় দেখানো হয়েছে আর এখন আপনাদের বাঁচানোর জন্য আমাকে ফাঁসিয়েছে আমি জজ সাহেবকে বলছি যে স্যার আমি কিছু করিনি আমাকে উপর থেকে নিচে নামিয়ে দিল
And ahead of the sentencing, when Judge Das gave Sanjay an opportunity to speak, he again claimed innocence. The 31-year-old trainee's brutalized body was found in a seminar room of the hospital on August 9. Kolkata police arrested Sanjay a day later based on a CCTV footage. Calcutta High Court later transferred the case to the Central Bureau of Investigation. In its charge sheet filed before the trial court on October 7, 2024, CBI had cited as evidence, among other things, a CCTV footage that showed Sanjay near the seminar hall where the doctor's body was found, a Bluetooth headphone belonging to Sanjay that was found near the body. Investigators have throughout maintained that Sanjay acted alone, but the victim's family and junior doctors groups suspected a larger conspiracy. They have repeatedly questioned thoroughness of the probe.
और जो भी इसका अंदर है सब सामने आएगा सबको कैपिटल पनिशमेंट मिले तो हमको शांति मिलेगी है वो जरूर ये तो जो डीएनए रिपोर्ट है वो आप देखिएगा और आपको ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिल जाएगा
The family has filed a petition flagging 54 questions and calling for a reinvestigation, citing lacunae in CBI's handling of the case. They have called out CBI for not interrogating those present at the hospital on the night their daughter was killed, and other nurses and paramedical staff.
We all know that only Sanjay Rai is not the culprit. So we wanted to know who are the real culprit. What was the motive of this murder in RG Medical College? So we are not satisfied at all. From today, we have to start a new fight against this type of injustice.
The horrific crime had sparked massive protests. Justice! Unprecedented even for Calcutta, a city known for protests. With Sanjay escaping the news, protesters returned to the city streets. The anger was palpable at CBI for its inability to unearth evidence against any person other than Sanjay.
जो CBI हाईएस्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया है वो जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बारे में बोल रहे हैं जो एविडेंस डिस्ट्रक्शन हुआ है जो CFSL का रिपोर्ट है उधर बोला है जो रूम है जिधर सेमिनार रूम के बारे में हम लोग बोल रहे हैं प्लेस ऑफ ऑकरेंस उधर स्ट्रगलिंग का कोई साइन नहीं है तो हम लोग को अभी तक भी पता नहीं चल रहा है जो प्लेस ऑफ ऑकरेंस क्या है MIMB के रिपोर्ट में मल्टीपल पर्सन का DNA मिल रहा है, तो कैसे ये जजमेंट एक पर्सन के लिए कैसे दे दिया गया है?
Sanjay's family has refused to move the High Court to reduce his sentence.
संजय राय का तो आज राय
না,
होगा।
ওসব আমাকে বলবেন না, সঞ্জয় রায়কে আমি চিনি না, জান।
आपका बेटा तो
नहीं, बेटा नहीं जन्म दिया। जब बेटी मर गया तो बेटा नहीं है।
Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's government appealed in the High Court against the trial court verdict, demanding death sentence.
আমরা প্রথম দিন থেকেই ফাঁসির দাবি করে এসেছিলাম এবং আজকেও আমরা সেই দাবিতে অটুট আছি। আমরা এটাই বলেছিলাম আমাদের হাতে এই কেসটা থাকে আমরা কিন্তু অনেকদিন আগেই ফাঁসির অর্ডার দিয়ে দিতে পারতাম, ফাঁসির অর্ডার করে দিতে পারতাম এবং আমাদের হাত থেকে তো কেসটা ইচ্ছা করে কেড়ে নিয়ে চলে গেল। কারণ আমরা চাই বিচার হোক, এই নরক বিচারদের চরমতম শাস্তি হওয়া উচিত।
Cutting across party lines, leaders expressed dissatisfaction.
The whole purpose of the CBI coming into the case is because the state government of Bengal had destroyed evidence and tried to pin it on one individual. And the unanswered question was that how can one individual rape and murder a girl in a public hospital, in a public space at that, alone, without any collaboration? So that evidence, which should have been there as part of the CBI investigation, in fact the CBI unfortunately went on the same track as the state government, which
हम लोग चाहते थे कि कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो अपराधियों है ये अपराधी को अंदर डर पैदा हो। लेकिन ये सजा सुनकर मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा तो बंगाल में कोई अपराधी को डर है ही नहीं और इसके बाद और भी नहीं रही।
देखिए, फांसी का सजा तो मिलना ही चाहिए संजय राय को, लेकिन हम लोग खुश नहीं है, हम लोग इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन से खुश नहीं है। सीबीआई को सप्लीमेंट्री चार्जशीट देना पड़ेगा। और कौन है संजय राय के साथ थे, जो है उसको बोलिए पहले उनका नाम लिखे, तभी पूरा होगा।
CBI is yet to submit supplementary charge sheet against Sandeep Ghosh, principal of RG Medical College and Hospital when the crime happened. Abhijit Mandal, former officer in charge of Tala Police Station. CBI had arrested Ghosh and Mandal on charges of evidence tampering. Mandal got bail because CBI failed to file a charge sheet against him. Ghosh is still in prison in the case of alleged corruption at RG. An extraordinary case reached an extraordinary conclusion that seemed to take it back to square one. In 2022, India recorded over 4 lakh rape cases, 51 rape cases every hour. Even then, some cases stand out and become part of a nation's conscience. Arjikar is one of them.